Hey guys, so really quick, I just thought it was better for me to do a quick video run through. So what I need to have done is the Gamipress system for WordPress. I need to have that modified slightly. So this is the Gamipress backend. I just have this here called bid. So let's go ahead and click on that really quickly. Um, so once we get into the actual bid interface, this is the part where I need to be updated. So it's the automatic points deduction part, right? So basically, the way it is, the website is set up is that users will be able to, that everyone's going to get about 10 to 100 points per month. Now they're able to use those points to submit Gravity um, forms, right? But in order to submit the form, they need to bid a certain amount of points that they want to bid, depending on how many points they have. So what I need help with is this part right here. So this is the Gravity form integration. Notice that it's here. So when successfully submit a specific form, so then right here we select a post. This is actually where you select a Gravity form. So let's say that the form is join the cruise, right? Don't worry about this, and don't worry about that. This is the main sticking point here. The way it is now, I can only set how many points to deduct based on each form. So for join the cruise, I can say the member could deduct, every time a member submits that form, we can deduct 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, but I don't want that. What we need is to have this be variable and for the user to enter the amount of points they want to um, basically deduct based upon the. So basically, they're bidding. They're saying, "Hey, I want to bid 8 points to submit this form." So what I need to have done is for this deduct to not be static. So instead of it saying for me to pick a point, what this box should show is it should allow. It should, once I select the Gravity form here, this box should now populate with all the fields of that Gravity form where I'll be able to say, okay, just take a look at field 1, which contains the number, or field 2, whatever field I decide to put on the Gravity form, and the user puts that number into that field, that's what this should deduct. So this should no longer be static, but it should be a variable that the user inputs based on when they decide to fill out that form. So that's what I need done here. So it might take a lot of hooks, but Gravity Form is pretty great. I mean, Gamipress is pretty great in that they provided a lot of short codes, so you can take a look at that. That might help. But if you're able to do this type of work, just please go ahead and submit a bid, and we'll be in contact. All right, and thanks a lot. Take care.